Curious about how we installed durable aluminum entrance mats for a clean and professional look? When your aluminum entrance mats arrive, they come in easy-to-handle rolls, ready for installation. Our team carefully unpacks the mats and reviews the placement diagram to ensure everything is laid out correctly. Before installation, we clean the recessed well, ensuring a smooth mat surface. Now it's time to inspect the mats. Small adjustments are made to ensure a perfect fit within the recessed flooring. Following the diagram, the team lays the mats in place and connects them securely using built-in connectors. The final result? A seamless transformation. Watch how your entrance goes from ordinary to extraordinary. Our mats are fully customizable in size and colors. Designed with a 3-zone solution, indoor, outdoor, and intermediate. They are soundproof, keep dirt and debris out, and are built to withstand heavy-duty commercial use. Upgrade your entrance with Canada Mats, heavy-duty and custom solutions for your space.